Hello, this is a tutorial that is being added to all of the other tutorials related to Video Everywhere and or YouTube. Currently, as we speak right now, at the end of April 2015, there's some problems with Video Everywhere and getting the tool to work in Blackboard, so we need Plan B. So there's other videos on showing you exactly how to use YouTube to capture a video and then upload it to Blackboard, but it's been a while since I've made that, and some people may not know exactly where to find that, so we're going to create another one. So there's a couple of ways that we'll talk about doing it, but if you are actually going to record a video the first time around, you can actually click on Upload. First thing you want to do is select your privacy settings. You're probably going to want to choose maybe unlisted if you're going to post it to a class. Public puts it out there for everybody to see. It's like something that you post to Google or Facebook or what have you. Everybody can see it. Unlisted only allows people who have the link. So if you're posting this in a class, I have to have access to it in the class. If you're posting it on the discussion board, then every student will have access to it. If you're posting it to an assignment link, then only that particular student and instructor will have access to that video. So once you've selected how it is, you can go into the record mode here, and record mode is going to give you a screen. Again, I have other tutorials here. You start recording, this turns into a stop button. You want to see the green bar here on the right move, because that's going to relate to the sound, so you want to make sure you're not on mute. You'll see the timer, and then stop recording when you're done. You're going to say continue, and it takes a while to render, so it will take a few minutes depending on the length of your video, but it will eventually be in your YouTube account. So what I'm going to do now is show you how you can take a video that you create and put it into a Blackboard class. Okay, so now we're into YouTube, and understand that what I'm going to show you can be done with a video that you create or make of yourself, or a video that you find out there in YouTube and you want to load it into a class for a particular reason. So I'm just going to grab this video here. Assume this is the video that you made. Okay, so I got the video here. All I did was I paused it. I'm going to come down here to share. Now there's two different ways that you can actually get access to the link for the video and then put it in a Blackboard class. I just clicked on share, and notice that we have this right here. This is the URL for this particular video. Again, if it's the one I create, it's the YouTube link for this video. So it's already highlighted for you, so all you have to do is copy and paste it into another location. So that's one way. You need to find out from your faculty exactly how he or she wants you to upload the video. If they don't care, this is probably the easiest way. But some of them like to see, actually, whenever you see a video posted where it looks like it's in a little TV screen, and then you can just click right on it and it'll start playing, as opposed to clicking on this link. Well, that's the link, but let's assume they want the other way. So that's with this embed code. So I'm going to click on that. Again, it highlights what I need, so I just have to copy it. There's nothing else I have to do. This is the embed code for this particular YouTube video. So I'm going to Control or Command C, right? Then I'm going to go back to my Blackboard class. So what I've done here is I've gone into an assignment link where I need to submit this particular assignment. Now your instructor might have you put it in the discussion board, and that's fine. But assuming that this is a submission for an assignment link, I just went into a test class with a test student, and I'm going to put this into the assignment link area and submit it. Okay, so it might look like this if it's the first time you've ever done anything like this, where you've typed in these number 3 area here. This is browse computer to attach a file, but you may actually have spent some time down in this particular box typing some things. What you need to do is you need to get the text editor with the 3 lines of the toolbar, and they're not showing up right here. In order to get them, you want to click on Type Submission, and notice how we've extended our toolbar. We have these 3 lines of the toolbar. And in the old days, this would be where we would have gone to actually record the video, record from webcam. This is the Video Everywhere tool built right into Blackboard that, as of right now, is not currently functioning. If you go all the way over in this 3rd row, all the way over to the right, here's an HTML code view. So if you click on that, it's going to open up this box for you here. You want to make sure your cursor's in here, and then you want to Control or Command V in order to paste that code. Now don't touch the code, just leave it alone. It's a copy-paste situation, and then you're going to say update. Now you can see here that the video has now been included in this particular submission area. So all I need to do is go down here and hit submit, and I have now posted this video for my students. Understand, when you first record the video, you're actually going to have a situation where it will take a while before you can actually go to YouTube and actually grab the code. If you go too early, you'll get this little kind of a black background with a little red frowny face that talks about, you know, it's not, sorry, it's not quite ready. It normally takes a couple of minutes. Usually it takes about as long to render and upload as it does to record it. So a 90-second video will take about 90 seconds before it's ready for you to do something with. A 2-3 minute video will take 2 to 3 minutes in order to render. So just something to pay attention to. Make sure that the video is available there in your YouTube account before you go and do anything else, like trying to grab either the URL or the embed code. Thanks. Hopefully this was helpful.